Do you want to make your screenshot more attractive? If yes, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to talk about an amazing Chrome extension which will not only help you to take the screenshot, but also it will help you to make your screenshot more attractive. Okay, so before starting this video, I want to tell you one more thing, that I am running a Facebook group, Blogging Lift, which is joined by more than 44,000 plus members. Okay, so if you want to learn blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, or if you have any doubt regarding blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, then you can join this group. I have given the link in the video description. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So the name of this Chrome extension is Awesome Screenshots. So just go to Google and search Awesome Screenshots Chrome extension. Okay, so just go to Google and search Awesome Screenshots Chrome extensions. Okay, so this is the link of this Chrome extension. Just click on it. Okay, install this Chrome extension on your Chrome browser. As you can see, I have already installed this Chrome extension. When you will install this Chrome extension, you will see an icon like this. Okay, when you will install this Chrome extension, you will see an icon like this. So now let me tell you how this Chrome extension works. So open the page where you need to take the screenshot. For example, I want to take the screenshot of this page. So what I will do, I will just click on this Chrome extension. Okay, so there are two options. You can record the screen. Okay, so if you want to use this as a video recorder, then you can also record your videos using this Chrome extension, but I'm going to show you how to take the screenshot and edit it in such a way that it will look attractive. Okay, so there are three options to capture. So first option is visible part. Okay, so whatever the visible right now in the screen, it will take the screenshot of that part. If you want to take the screenshot of full page, entire page, okay, then you can click on this option. And if you want to take a screenshot of a selected area, then you can use the third option. So right now I am going to use the third option. So just click on this, and suppose I want to take the screenshot of only this part. Okay, so for example, I want to take a screenshot of this part. So what I will do, just I will select this area, and as you can see, it will automatically save, give you option to save it. Just click on this save button and it will open in a new window. Okay, so it will load this image. Okay, and after that you will get lots of editing option. As you can see, suppose I want to add any arrow, so there are lots of different type of arrow available here. So I usually use this fourth one, so it looks amazing. And you can also select the color. Okay, I want red color, so I selected this arrow. For example, I want to highlight this 44,000 plus members, so I can show like this. Okay, and there are rectangle box also. So rectangle and circle, if you want to show circle, for example, I want to show circle here, so you can show circle like this. Okay, and suppose if you want to increase the pixel, okay, so I want 16 pixels, so it will look like this. Okay, I hope you got it. And there are, so let me select 6 pixel from here, and yeah, I suppose I want to select this rectangle box and I want to highlight this 44,000 plus member. Okay, so what I can do, I can just select it and it will look like this. Okay, and you can easily drag and drop anywhere you want. Okay, so it is looking amazing, right? And suppose I want to blur anything, so you can click on this option. Okay, as you can see here, just click on this, and suppose I want to blur this invite button. So suppose if you have taken any screenshot where there is any email address or any personal detail and you want to blur that, you don't want to show that particular part in your screenshot, then you can use this blur option. Just select this option and it will look like this. So you can hide, you can blur any particular part of your screenshot. Okay, and yes, there is a highlighter button. So there is a pen option, so you can draw something like pen. Okay, using this option. And one more thing, I want to show you one more thing. Yes, this is a highlighter. Suppose I want to highlight anything. Let me select first color. I want to highlight using yellow color. So this is the highlighter. I want to select it and I want to highlight it. Okay, blog English name. So you can highlight any part using this. I hope you got it. So in this way you can highlight any area, and there are some, so these are the options available in the free plan. I think free plan is more than enough, but if you want the pro plan, then you can use it. It is totally depend on your requirement. So if you want to take a screenshot of something like where you are showing the steps like step 1, step 2, step 3, then you can use this option. Okay, so this one, if you will click on it, then it will look like this. You can 1 2 3 add like this type of circle button. Okay, if you are explaining any steps in your screenshot. Okay, so it is available in the pro plan, so I don't recommend you to purchase the pro plan. Free plan is more than enough. Okay, so in this way you can use this Chrome extension to take the amazing screenshot. So how to download your image, okay, which you have just edited. So just click on this done button after editing and you will get the download button from here. So if you found this video helpful and want more video like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I am going to publish more amazing videos like this. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and let me know if this video is helpful or not via comment below. Okay, thank you for watching friends. See you in the next video.